So you guys already know by the titles, two quick and cute natural hairstyles. Follow me on Instagram. This is the look to the second one. I didn't get pictures of the first one. But for the first one, you need eco styling, some edge control, edge booster, a good brush, a comb to do your parts, and an edge brush. So I'm going to start by making a box with my parts at the front of my head, the core from eyebrow to eyebrow. And basically that's my friend Ansley. She's over there doing her eyebrows while I'm doing my hair. We're just gonna be jamming out to some music through this. So continue watching. And right here, I'm just gonna be getting a rubber band to pin the front of my hair up because I'm gonna do the ponytail part first. Then my edges, and then I'm gonna do the twisties in the front. So start by using your eco styling to pull your hair up into a nice and good ponytail, I guess. And right here, I'm going to be taking the front of it down, but that's not supposed to happen right now. So I don't know what I was doing, but I'm going to put it back up. And do your edges first, then do the front. So it's going to go right back up. Okay, now you need your good edge control. And start by brushing all of your edges out. These are edges, not baby hair, so you can get as many as you want out. I like them to be medium, so like I don't like too much, but I don't like too little. And I'm going to be making swirlies on each side, so I put a little bit more out by each ear. Okay, start by using your edge control and brushing it down. If you don't know how to do your edges, use the brush it down. Use the comb to swoop it back. Then also use the comb to comb it down, because you don't want all your edges as one. So we like to make different swoops. So do it again. So you brush it down. Okay, and then we're going to do the other side. We're brushing it down, swoop. Then we're going to use our comb and swoop it down. And also comb it down to make another section. And do it again. See? Boom. And just keep doing this over and over until you have the perfect edges that you want. Now we're going to grab us some good eco styling, and on each side you just put a little bit on your fingers on each side and just start swirling them around, and keep doing it until you have the perfect swirl, the perfect curl that you want. And making sure at the beginning of the curl, it's like, it's right there. See, boom, you got to grab it and make sure it's slick, because we like cute. We don't, if you're going to do it all the way, baby. Now take out the front. take a rubber band out and use your comb. Oh, hold on, had to go back. Didn't like it. Okay, boom, cute. Give it to me. Now we're gonna split it in two. Split it in two because it's gonna be two twisties. Comb it out. Give it some length, baby. Comb it out. See? And put some eco style on it. Use your brush, rubber band, and pin it up. Now get you two strands. And just start twisting. You know how to make twisties. Twist them all the way down. Just keep twisting, just keep twisting. Looking for more rubber bands. Oop, there they go. Okay, I'm gonna be using the green ones. Add some cuteness to it. And then after you're done with that one, you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So we have two cute little twisties. See? There it is. Now boom, look at that. Cute. Giving it to me. I'm feeling like Alex. Look at that. Another hairstyle. Boom. Okay, and here's hairstyle number 2. I took them out. Kept my edges up. So brush it back. And we're going to make a box from the side of our ear to where like the arch in our eyebrow is. So make a cute little box right there. Pin the rest of your hair up because we're going to be doing the opposite this time, and we're going to be doing our rubber band patterns first. So after you make your big box, I'm going to be doing a 3x3, so it's going to be 3 rows and 3 columns, and I'm going to be using 3 different colors on this. So make a row and then split that row into 3, and when you split that into 3, use 3 different rubber bands, 3 different colors, and put them on each one. In this, I'll be using lime green, orange, and yellow. And right here, I'm just putting each color rubber band on 3 different ponytails, I guess you could say. This is the first row in the back that I had done. And then after I do the back row, I'm going to make 2 more rows with 3 more. And just move the colors around, but keep the same 3 colors. That makes sense. And this is the final look. Okay, see, this is what we have here. See, I have 3 different colors, and I moved them in 3 different rows and just crossed them over to where they connect, and boom. Look at that. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys really understood this video.